Hey guys, today we are going to do a video demonstrating how the TOPSHAK half-inch impact gun works, or electric wrench. This is the model PW2, and it's supposed to put out 330 Newton meters of torque, and we're going to test it out by seeing if we can remove this wheel from our Honda Accord. So we're going to open up the case and see what you get. Alright, got our user manual. So you are going to get the impact wrench itself, which is actually loaded up with a 22 millimeter socket. It also comes with two additional sockets, which are a 17 and a 19 millimeter, which are common sizes as well. And then you get a charger, of course, and it comes with one battery, which is rated at 3,000 milliamp hours. So it's already got some charge. I believe it's recommended to fully charge it first before you go ahead and start using it. And but we're gonna go ahead and try it out. This has a locking mechanism of sorts here that you need. There's a pin that is held in by an O-ring retainer, and that's how you slide off the sockets. And in order to use another one, you just transfer the pieces over. Let's see, we're going to use the 19 for this vehicle, so you just put the O-ring on, slide the pin through. Whoop, and I just dropped it. Slide the pin through, and then put the O-ring retainer on it. So we're going to test out this impact wrench on this Honda Accord wheel. And the lug nuts are torqued to about 80 pounds each, 80 foot-pounds. So we're going to see if we can break that loose. There we go. So this would be a great tool that you can keep in your trunk possibly. So you can do a quick tire change if you get a flat. I wish I had this actually a couple weeks ago when I ran over some metal on the freeway. But yeah, it does the job. You can get all of them here. There we go. So you can find this handy TOPSHAK impact wrench at banggood.com.